Hi there everyone and welcome. We're on a road trip to go pick up a Ford Cortina, a bit of a garage find mind you. So stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed already, please make sure to do so for more of this. If you have a car or a garage find or anything you'd like me to film, let me know. And any tips about any Cortinas, let me know. But it is a Mark III 1.6 litre L Cortina in a lovely colour. So you'll join us on the trip, and then you'll join us when we finally get there, if we buy it. So if you don't see this video, we haven't bought it. Hello everyone, welcome. We have made it and we have bought this Cortina 1600L. It's got a 1.6 litre Pinto engine, I think, in it. And let's just go take a quick look around. So this car hasn't been used for quite some time. It's actually a bit of a garage find. So the old guy who owned it, he's actually owned it since, if you guys give me the V5, I'm not going to show his address or anything. Check it. See if you look as well, let me just cover his address. It's the original old V5 from the 70s. So this guy got it some point in time in the 70s, I assume. It says 75 on it. Anyway, so it is this lovely blue, actually one from the original, the same colour as the original one from one of the original Cortina posters from the 70s, which is really cool. But this isn't actually my car. This is Katie's car, my partner's car. So I'll give the camera to me in a bit, and she can tell you something, I guess, if she wants to. Anyway, so there's a bit of Spartan inside, as you can see, and you can look at all that dust. Very dusty. Of course, you've got the usual Cortina-ness, but this car's had a respray as well. It has a few little foibles, a few little rusties and stuff like that, but it is not too bad. The only thing is we have half a key, so get into the here. But I've never owned a Ford before. We've never owned a Ford. This is our car, but Katie's car really. Anyway, but it's our car because all of our cars are ours because we're in like a communist relationship. Anyway, all in here it looks really nice. The only problem is it's had a bit of a patch there as well. If you look on there, common area apparently on these. Spare wheel, very good, and under there it's very nice as well. This, of course, is the partition for the cabin and the boot. We're going to get we need some sound editing on this because we want to make this a usable daily, which will be super cool to imagine some 5'2" lady driving around in this, or me, which is nearly the same thing. You can see that the vinyl on the doors is a bit tired. We'll have to see what that does with the cleanup, but look at that quality. Yo, metal. Shout out to Hooked on Classics, by the way, about the Cortina gang. But yeah, inside, he's had all this retrimmed, and look, that seat is incredibly comfortable. He's had all of this retrimmed inside, and it looks really, really nice. The headlining, of course, is this weird perforated material. This hasn't been redone, you can tell, quite frankly. But let's move on to another area. Also, since this is the L, it has like a few little Spartan features, like these ashtrays. What is that? Anyway, let's have a look. Another area. So of course it even has the original glass, by the way, which is super great. So let's look at the back as well. So we've lifted the carpet up and everything in here just to check it. It doesn't look too bad. Sorry about that, a bit of an issue with the video. It has a bit of a patch there. So let's move around and look at the brakes. Katie's not going to tell you anything about the car because she's an idiot and she knocks the camera. But yeah, let's move on to this side. The only thing is the brakes are a bit weird on it. So we'll go into here. Of course, it's got a single mirror with it being an L. Brilliant. So let's get inside and see if she boots up the 75. No, she's not having it.
He's charging.
Battery's flat. Cigarette lighter. It's been used. Knocks chunks off the volume. Other than that, though, I think she's absolutely fantastic. And let's have a look at the engine actually, just quickly. And the bonnet pull is under here, and it's a bit weird. Let's go have a look. Oh, you've got your 1600 badges here. So on the other cars, you'd obviously have GT written there, etc. One that we did look at was a 1600 GT, but my God, it was a mess. And this one's had all new wings and everything, and it looks absolutely great. there's your 1600 overhead cam Ford engine, single overhead cam, 1.6. Just look at that, brilliant. The overflow actually peed a lot of water out, so I think we might need to change the coolant in it. Other than that, though, very clean in here, very nice. Look at how that's mounted. Look how brilliant it is. Yeah, I don't really know too much about Fords, let's be real. So this is going to be a bit of a learning experience for all of us. And of course, this isn't just going to turn into a mighty Ford channel, a man that can't even shut his bonnet. This isn't going to turn into some like weird Ford channel. There's always going to be Rovers, just to reassure you all, but I hope you're all excited about this lovely thing, and if I can get any pictures of it when it was sat in its lockup, I will do. But you can even see on here this direct line tax disc holder. I mean, look at that. That is some archaeology. So yeah, I think it's absolutely fabulous. What a brilliant car, and I hope you're all excited to see us work on it. So we're going to be picking it up very soon. We've obviously put money down on it, etc. So this is ours now, and yeah, it's very cold as well. So yeah, that's about it, boys. So thanks for watching. Keep watching. Remember to subscribe for more and comment any memories about the Cortina below.